早上6點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號東北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺早上6點，颱風泰利集結喺香港之西南偏南約260公里，即係北緯20度、東經113.5度附近，預料向西北偏西移動，時速約18公里。大致移向雷州半島至海南島一帶，並繼續增強。受泰利影響，本港普遍吹強風，離岸海域吹烈風，高地間中吹暴風。按照現時預測路徑，泰利會喺早上喺本港西南偏南300公里內掠過。預料本港會漸轉吹東至東南風，風力進一步增強。同時，與泰利相關嘅雨帶正為廣東沿岸帶嚟頻密狂風驟雨。本港今早普遍錄得超過10毫米雨量。8號烈風或暴風信號至少維持至正午12點。隨後8號信號會否維持，將取決於本地風力嘅變化，以及泰利雨帶嘅相關陣風會否持續影響本港。受泰利帶嚟嘅風暴潮及天文大潮嘅共同影響，沿岸低洼地區早上可能出現淹浸，市民請盡早完成防水浸嘅措施。海有大至非常大浪及有湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，昂坪、大老山及橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時85、82及80公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時114、105及96公里。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
6 o'clock in the morning, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 6 a.m., Typhoon Ta Lim was centered about 260 km south-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20 degrees north, 113.5 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 km per hour in the general direction of Leizhou Peninsula and Hainan Island, and continue to intensify. Under the influence of Ta Lim, strong winds prevail over Hong Kong, with gales over offshore waters and occasional storm-force winds on high ground. According to the present forecast track, Ta Lim will skirt within 300 kilometers to the south-southwest of Hong Kong this morning. Local winds will turn gradually to east to southeasterlies and strengthen further. Meanwhile, the rain bands of Ta Lim are bringing frequent squally showers to the coast of Guangdong. More than 10 millimeters of rainfall were recorded generally over Hong Kong this morning. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force before noon. Whether the signal number 8 will remain in force thereafter will depend on the changes in local wind strength and how persistent the gusts associated with the rain bands of Ta Lim will affect Hong Kong. Under the combined effect of the storm surge brought by Ta Lim and the spring tide, there may be flooding in coastal low-lying areas in the morning. Members of the public should complete precautionary measures against high winds and flooding as soon as possible. Seas are rough to very rough with swells. Please stay away from the shoreline and do not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Tate's Cairn and Waglan Island were 85, 82, and 80 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 114, 105, and 96 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours of 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。